What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Baby 1.18 in the building, and in today's video we're gonna do another POV drive, night POV drive back to the crib. And hope y'all enjoy the video. Like always, like, comment, subscribe. All right, y'all boys, we back. We about to go onto the highway and we about to go crazy. I just want to say thank you for everybody that watched my videos, and I can't believe that we hit 200 views, man. I know it's not insane, but I mean, y'all absolutely crushed the views, man. So I appreciate y'all so much. know what y'all think. I definitely gotta do more POVs, but it's just like, one thing about my car is that my tints, they're not too dark, and it's like I don't have windshield tint at all either, so it's like doing it during the day, the sun hits hard, you know, especially when I have the AC off, so it's like it's kind of hard. But I'm about to get my windows tinted, all four. The back I'm gonna get it tinted, and then I'm gonna get the front windshield tinted, but who knows when that's gonna happen. But I definitely want to get it done. For the front, I don't know, I think I might do like 25%, nothing too crazy to the point where like the cops go and they get on my ass. So I'm gonna just do something light, probably like a light tint, nothing too wild. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like always, like, comment, subscribe.